and that you can transform. And the story becomes your own story then. And we can answer this. Why was Adam Smith so possessive about the casket? Now, who will tell you the meaning of possessive? Why did Adam Smith like the casket, love the casket? Possessive is that. Why? He could not dare to lose it. Possessive. Right? What is the answer there? Because the casket contains the picture of his dead wife, so he was much possessive about the casket. That way we can answer. Now, how did John reach Shivaji's darbar? John, along with his companion, they were walking. After many days, they met the train of bullock carts being driven towards Raigad. The people caught them and they have taken him to the Raigad into Shivaji Darbar. Thus, John reached the Darbar, Shivaji's Darbar. That way we have to understand the lesson first, we have to write the answer next. Why did John wish to have a private audience with the king? John wanted to have a private audience with the king because he wanted to explain the importance of the casket in the spoils brought from Surat. He wanted to explain and he wanted to ask for it. Explain and ask for it. Right? And next, why do you think Shivaji disguised himself as a soldier? Shivaji disguised him as a soldier to find out if at all there are any enemies for him. That is the reason. The kings, they used to go into their kingdom disguising themselves. Right? In the same way, Shivaji also disguised himself and he was walking because he knew pretty well there are certain people who do not like him. Right? So he disguised himself as a common soldier and roaming over there. And next, what did John do to save the soldier? John, though he was not having any weapon, with the walking stick which he had, with that attacked the third soldier who attacked the Maratha soldier. And then immediately he pounced on the second one. The second one, through the sword, he took the sword into his coat and made him disarm. He was not having armor, and he sat on the fellow and started pinning him down. That is what he has done to save Shivaji. That way, all the points you have to remember. మనం చదువుకుంటున్నప్పుడే పాయింట్స్ ఏంటి అని జ్ఞాపకం పెట్టుకోవాలి, అని చదవకూడదు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ది గ్రేట్నెస్ హియర్. And again we are having about 12 questions we are having. About that 3 or 4 questions are star marked. They are your idea about the story. Do you agree that John was as brave as Shivaji? Yes, I do agree. Why? Justify your answer. Why? He was not having any weapon and the soldier was having weapons. But he was having his stick, and even then he started fighting with the soldiers having weapons with them. So now we can say John is as brave as Shivaji. కారణం చూపించి మనం చెప్పాలి. What qualities of Shivaji impress you, inspire you most? First of all, he said, I cannot give this because it is the wealth of the state. It is the property of the state. I cannot give. That impressed you first. Second, single-handedly, he was ready to fight with the 3 people. That must have impressed you. Third one, now seeing John as brave as himself, he respected his bravery and he has given the box to him. He was very generous. That also impressed you. These are the 3 things we are right. అంటే పాయింట్స్ రాయాలి. ఏదో కథ చెప్పేస్తామంటే కథలు వినరు ఇక్కడ. So, if you were John, would you save Shivaji? Justify your answer. Yes, when you heard this story, you must have installed yourself either in Shivaji or in John. ఎందుకంటే మనం కథలు వింటూ ఉంటాం. అనగనగనగనగా ఒక రాజకుమారుడు ఉన్నాడనమాట అనేసరికి మనం ఆ రాజకుమారుడు అయిపోతాం. రాజుగారికి ఒక కొడుకు ఉన్నాడనమాట, ఆ రాజుగారి కొడుకు మనం అయిపోతాం. రైట్? అనగనగనగా ఒక క్యాబ్ సెల్లర్ ఈజ్ దేర్ అంటే వీ బికమ్ దట్ క్యాబ్ సెల్లర్. We do not know, but we keep ourselves in that one. So, if at all you are that, what would you do? If you are John, would you save Shivaji? Of course, you will do that. Why? Because you are there in John. What did John do? He has saved it. So, I am to do it. So, these are the questions. Point to point answer రాసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత say whether the following sentences statements are true or false. We have to read them and we have to say whether it is true. If it is true, you have to write in the brackets T రాయాలి. తర్వాత if it is false, we have to write F. Surat was under the control of Englishmen at the time of Shivaji's attacks. No, it was under the control of Mughal people. So the statement is wrong. So we have to put F. Likewise, you have to read everything and you have to put T or F for that. Rearrange the following sentences in order as they occur in the text. టెక్స్ట్లో వచ్చే ప్రకారంగా ఇవి అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. vocabulary. We have here two things, but vocabulary everything will come after reading about our బాజర్స్ ఆఫ్ హైదరాబాద్ బీ రీడింగ్ చదివిన తర్వాత దాని మీనింగ్ను మనం తెలుసుకున్న తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ తెలుసుకున్న తర్వాత మనం ఇక్కడ గ్రామర్కి వొకాబులరీకి వస్తాం.